Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be doing a little bit of modification to the interior of my Crown Vic here. So I've got this center console, and I need a way to mount a firearm in this car where I can easily access it should I need it. Now normally when I'm wearing my duty belt, it obviously sits down here, with my seatbelt being in the way. And that's fine for, going to and from work and all that good jazz. But it would be nice if when I'm off and I'm carrying a smaller firearm that I have a way to access my firearm easily without also having to undo the seat belt and then pull my gun thing. Now, when I did the interior collaboration video with Panzer Platform and the rest of the boys a while back in the town car, YouTuber Alameda Holsters did a video where he showed off his Crown Vic with the same kind of center console, and he had this little device in here. This little thing which you can use to secure a firearm inside your car, assuming it has one of these clips. So I have two firearms that I carry that are smaller that have this sort of holster. So this one for my G2C I do carry with like no cant. And then this one I have a bit of a forward cant on my PPS, so when I'm, kind of tilts, so it's a little more concealable, prints a little less. So for this vehicle, I'm thinking when I mount this, I need to use this as the template, so that way instead of making it straight where it's going to be at a forward cant and hard to draw, I want to tilt this at an angle, kind of, sort of, something like this maybe. That way this can be drawn almost forward, but then this gun, when it's secured in there, will have an extreme cant to it like this, where I can, easily draw should I need to from there. So using this PPS as the template, I'm thinking right around here is where I want to put the Velcro, secure it. And that might be good enough, but just in case it's not, I do have some power tools here. We can put some screws in here. But we're going to try the Velcro first. I've already secured the fuzzy side of the Velcro to here. So now I just need to secure the hook side of the Velcro to this console. So in the Alameda Holsters kit deal, they gave me the clip device, sticker, card, and some of these, along with that piece of Velcro, which is actually a Velcro brand hook and loop. So that's pretty sick. Alright, so we'll get an alcohol prep pad, prep this, put our Velcro on there, and then we'll see if we need to all add any. Ow, boy, that is some strong alcohol. This stuff's strong as hell. I would know because it just soaked right through this Band-Aid I have and completely burned me. Because I have a thumb injury from working on that Mercedes. So that felt really good. Not. Alright, that should be good enough. And these damn mosquitoes are really freaking annoying too. There's no shortage of these things around here. Okay. Oh man, that really hurts. Damn mosquitoes. Okay, so we're gonna stick this on there, and we'll see how well this Velcro holds. If it holds well enough, great. If not, well, as you can see, there are holes here. I got the washers and screws and the impact ready that I can just drill right through here and call it a boom done. But we'll pull that off for this spot. Now it's got a little more wiggling than I like, so I think I will screw it in. So now's as good a time as any to do that, I guess. I don't want this going into where my cup holder is, so That might be a wee bit too long. It might be, well, I might make it without going into where my cup would be sitting. Try a washer. Put one right there, maybe right there. Just one on each little corner. I think that'll be fine. Now, I didn't drill holes previously, but this plastic's soft enough, I think we can kind of go through it. It can tap itself through there. Alright, that seems to be pretty good. Let's do one more. That other little corner. Yeah, we'll go through here. Why the hell not? Perfect. I'd say I ain't gonna get any more secure than that. All right. Okay, so I'm driving along, everything's good to go. Alright, that seems like it works pretty good. Now let's try with the Taurus. Well, I'd say the thing that really is secure. I would say it's kind of a pain in the ass to get out, but if there's one thing you want it to be, it is secure. And that it is. Also have a bit of a cant. Well, reverse cant, I guess. So that'll be nice and down and low there. And if you need to get it out. Oh, yeah. So that's pretty sick. So shout out to Alameda Holsters, Alameda Custom Holsters, for participating in that collaboration video and let me know that this is a thing. Alright, now the only real way to test it out legit is to put it in practical use should I get held up or something.
The next day.
Look at all this traffic.
Mr. Robert, give me a walk.
Man, you're lucky I'm not in my other car.
Thank you.
What a bitch.
1 week later.
So much traffic again.
Mr. Robert, give me your money.
Man, I'm tired of you people always hiding behind my bushes and robbing me all the time. You know what? I think it's going to go a little bit different this time.
Yeah?
Now you're going to give me your wallet. And give me that gun. And give me your wallet.
Man, this ain't even right. This ain't even right. This ain't my wallet.
You know, in fact, don't you still have my wallet from last week?
Yeah, I do.
Give me that back, too. I want that back.
Son of a bitch.
Hey, wait a minute. Didn't I have an extra 50 in here?
I'm spending on crack, man. I need some crack.
Go on, get out of here. And that's why you need the Alameda Custom Holsters car mount. And actually, I think this is my gun, too. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you need the Alameda Custom Holsters car mount. So in case the Scream Killer, or someone dressed like the Scream Killer, demands your wallet, or your car, or your wife, or your wife's cat, you don't have to give those things up. Scenario 2 will be what plays out instead. And then you'll get their wallet. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.